Assalamualaikum. My name is Noah Nazra. I'm gonna present to you guys about molecular formula and empirical formula. Empirical formula is a formula that gives the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. Different compounds may have the same empirical formula. For example, 18 and benzene have the same empirical formula, which is CH. How to determine the empirical formula? First, start with number of grams of each element. Second, convert the mass of each element to moles. Next, divide each mole value by the smallest number of moles calculated. Lastly, round to the nearest whole number. If the number is too far to round, then multiply each solution by the same factor to get the lowest whole number multiplied. For example, if one solution is 1.5, then multiply each solution in the problem by 2 to get 3. If one solution is 1.25, then multiply each solution in the problem by 4 to get 5. What is the empirical formula of a compound that contains 40% of carbon, 6.67% of hydrogens, and a 53.33% of similar mass? To find the ratio in moles, you need to divide by the relative of atomic mass of each element. Next question. Mercury forms a compound. With chlorine, there is 63.9% mercury and 26.1% chlorine by mass. What is the empirical formula? Suppose that we analyze 100 grams of the given compound so that the given percentages correspond to grams. Give the atomic masses of each atom is. Next, find the number of moles of each. Then, find the ratio of two atoms. Hence, the empirical formula is HgCl2. Next, molecular formula. Molecular formula is a formula that shows how many atoms or ions of each element combine to make that compound. Once the empirical formula is found, the molecular formula for a compound can be determined if the molar mass of the compound is known. How to determine the molecular formula? First, simply calculate the mass of the empirical formula. Then, divide the molar mass of the compound by the mass of the empirical formula to find the ratio. Lastly, multiply all the atoms which are subscripts by this ratio to find the molecular formula. For example, for a compound whose empirical formula is CH2O, the molecular mass was found to be 180. What is its molecular formula? The molar mass of carbon is 12, molar mass of hydrogen is 1, and the molar mass of oxygen is 16. Adding all of them, the answer is 30. Molecular weight of compound given is 180. So the molecular formula of compound is. That's all. Thanks for watching.